the most annoying thing. 1 hour of strawberry reduction. Every recipe does it. But no worries, we're not doing it today. Instead, we have intense fresh strawberry flavor, incredibly moist texture. Not just a strawberry cake, it's an award-winning one. Yeah, perfect every single time. Hi, I'm Landon. Let's do it. Let's start with some prepping. Oven, pans, melt the butter. Do you know strawberry often listed at the top 3 dirtiest produce? So be sure to wash them, remove stem and puree. Good strawberry! And that's it, no 1 hour reduction and cooling. Hooray! Start with sugar, milk powder, which you can go without, melted butter, oil, and literally the rest of the ingredient list, except the last 3. Just as usual, code A's are fine with my recipe. Now besides fresh strawberries, I also use strawberry powder, which is 100% dry strawberries. It's great as natural color and excellent for smoothie and drink. We also have strawberry extract, so the flavor is gonna be intense. We're talking about blue ribbon cake here. But the process is so simple, no reduction, melted butter instead of creaming, and with my signature 1 bowl method, this cake is a piece of cake. Now the last 3 ingredients, flour, lemon juice, and strawberry puree. Be sure to reserve 1/3 cup for the frosting later. 15-20 seconds, strip, another 15-20 seconds, done. Don't overmix for a tender cake. Then divide into cake pans. Tap to remove large air bubbles for even crumbs and bake at 340 degrees until a toothpick comes out clean. Our cake stays moist due to a large amount of strawberry puree with the additions of oil and sour cream that many recipes lack, aiding the extra moistness and tenderness for days. Let's check out our cakes. They come out perfectly. Once cool to touch, run a flexible spatula around, remove from the pans and trim off the domes for a flat and beautiful cake. But this part is my favorite. Yum! It's so good. For flavor, our cake has 3 layers of complexity, with strawberry is the absolute dominance, so it's gonna be amazing. For the frosting, can't be any easier. Just make sure your butter and cream cheese are softened, which I left them out at the very beginning. This frosting has 3 layers of strawberry flavor, and unlike regular cream cheese frosting, I use a smaller amount of cream cheese to keep it balanced without taking over, while lemon juice and vanilla make the flavor pop. The result is an incredible flavorful strawberry frosting. You can use it on many other cakes like vanilla, red velvet, or even chocolate. Trust me, it's really good. Wow! Stack and frost however you like, okay? I just use a regular dinner plate, so whatever it works. Now I do not use any food coloring. I think the natural strawberry puree and powder already did a great job, but you can make it more vibrant like those you've seen from other bakers with food coloring. We should have enough frosting for piping if you fancy. I think it still looks pretty good. So this entire cake cost me approximately $13, that is about 85 cents per serving, and a 615 calories a piece. We can afford that, right? So soft. This cake is everything I want strawberry cake to be. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this blue ribbon recipe. If you make it, let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.